This Be Kind to Pets Veterinary educational video shows younger veterinarians the usefulness of using digital photo enhancement to aid diagnosis of eye conditions in pets. On April 5, 2025, in Yangon, Myanmar, a dog owner consulted Dr. Hyphema about the red eye in his terrier crossbred dog. The dog had this red eye for the past 1 week.
Dr. That showed the owner that the dog also had an abnormal left blue eye. What was the cause of this eye problem?
The following slide shows that digital photo enhancement using software like Photoshop helps in the diagnosis of the eye problems in this dog.
Normal eye. The convex surface of the non-cataractous lens presses against the iris. The iris looks convex and parallel to the cornea. When you look straight into the eye, no red blood accumulates behind the cornea.
In Hyphema, red blood accumulates in front of the iris and behind the cornea, inside the anterior or front chamber of the eye.
In the anterior lens luxated eye, digital photo enhancement shows up the edge of the dislocated lens lodged in the anterior chamber, in front of the iris and behind the cornea.
Dr. Thet got a blood test done. The platelet count was abnormally low. This condition is called thrombocytopenia. This dog's eye had trouble stopping bleeding. Blood accumulated in the anterior chamber.
More blood tests and monitoring will be needed to treat Hyphema, an anterior lens luxation to prevent the dog going blind due to glaucoma.
Special thanks to Dr. Thet for sharing his vet case study to inform and educate pet owners.
Go to youtube.com/c/99pups. For other educational videos. Thank you for watching.